In today's video, we'll discuss the 10 signs that your kidneys may be in trouble. In the United States, many people rely on dialysis, and about 60% of those awaiting an organ transplant need a kidney. If this topic interests you, make sure to watch until the end, as this video is packed with valuable information and all the main symptoms indicating that something might be wrong with your kidneys. Before we continue, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to receive our upcoming videos with essential health and wellness tips. Now let's dive into the signs that your kidneys might need help. Kidneys are incredibly important organs that filter the blood, produce urine, and help balance fluids in the body. They also produce hormones like erythropoietin, which stimulates red blood cell production, and renin, which helps regulate blood pressure. Sadly, kidney diseases can severely impact people's lives, with many depending on dialysis. That's why it's essential to recognize when something is wrong. The earlier you catch the problem, the sooner you can get medical help before it becomes irreversible. So, here are the top 10 signs your kidneys are in distress. 1. Changes in urine color and frequency. Alterations in urine color and frequency can be a sign of kidney issues. Darker or lighter urine, changes in the amount, or the presence of foam may indicate that your kidneys aren't functioning properly. These changes could stem from infections, kidney stones, or other renal conditions. If these symptoms persist or are accompanied by pain, see a doctor immediately. 2. Swelling in the extremities. Swelling in your hands, feet, or ankles can indicate kidney problems. This happens when the kidneys aren't effectively removing excess fluids, leading to a buildup in the tissues. This could be due to chronic kidney disease or other complications. If swelling is persistent, seek medical advice. 3. Lower back pain. Pain in the lower back, especially around the kidneys, can signal kidney issues. This pain can be sharp, chronic, or come in waves, often caused by kidney stones or infections. While lower back pain can also result from other causes, such as muscle problems, persistent discomfort, especially with other symptoms, should prompt you to consult a doctor. 4. Fatigue and weakness. Excessive fatigue and weakness can be signs of kidney problems. The kidneys produce erythropoietin, which stimulates red blood cell production. When kidney function declines, erythropoietin levels drop, leading to anemia and subsequent fatigue. If you constantly feel tired despite adequate rest, seek medical attention. 5. Nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting can occur when kidney function decreases, leading to a buildup of toxins in the body, a condition called uremia. Uremia may also cause loss of appetite and weight loss, further indicating kidney trouble. 6. Persistent itching. If you're dealing with relentless itching that lotions don't relieve, it may be due to kidney malfunction. When toxins accumulate in the body, they can cause intense, uncomfortable itching. This is often a sign of advanced kidney issues, and medical evaluation is crucial. 7. Difficulty concentrating and mental confusion. Cognitive issues like trouble focusing or confusion could be related to kidney dysfunction. The accumulation of toxins in the bloodstream can impair brain function. While these symptoms can improve with proper treatment, they should be taken seriously and addressed promptly. 8. High blood pressure. Kidneys play a vital role in regulating blood pressure by controlling fluid balance and producing hormones. When kidney function deteriorates, this balance is disrupted, leading to hypertension. Chronic high blood pressure can, in turn, damage the kidneys further, creating a vicious cycle. Regular monitoring of blood pressure and seeking medical advice is critical if hypertension persists. 9. Anemia. Kidney-related anemia occurs when the kidneys no longer produce enough erythropoietin, leading to low red blood cell counts. Blood loss through urine can also contribute to anemia. If you feel tired and low on energy, keep an eye on your kidney health. 10. Changes in taste and bad breath. Kidney issues can cause a metallic taste in your mouth or bad breath due to uremia. When the kidneys are not filtering properly, waste builds up in the body, causing these uncomfortable changes. Bad breath with an ammonia-like odor may signal worsening kidney function. and should be evaluated by a doctor. If you're experiencing persistent symptoms related to your kidneys, seek medical help as soon as possible to prevent severe complications and ensure effective treatment. Tips for maintaining kidney health and preventing problems. To keep your kidneys healthy, drink plenty of water, limit excessive salt and protein intake, maintain a balanced diet, monitor your blood pressure and blood sugar, engage in regular physical activity, and avoid overuse of medications. Thank you for watching this video about signs of kidney problems. We hope you found this information useful. If you did, share it with friends and family to spread awareness about kidney health. See you in the next video.